Hey everybody!
Hi!
Welcome back! And for this one, we are going to draw Steven Universe.
Hier.
Here we go!
En zet hem maar ook even bezig.
Okay, easy. So, where do we start with this one? We're going to start in the middle here. We're just going to draw a tiny little line just down like that. Just do that for me.
Ja.
Just a tiny little line. And now we draw an angle on that. And another line down. And you draw two more lines like that. You got it?
Yep.
And that's his nose. And from this line, you draw an eye that touches against there. And now we match that circle with another one. Yeah, get that sizing right. Okay, so we can draw his pupils because he's looking that way. We can draw his pupils in there. Wanna color them in?
Yep.
Okay, let's make them black because they are supposed to go black. Color them in nicely. Be very careful, don't go over the line, so try not to. And okay, so that's his eyes. Here we go. And now we're gonna go with a smile, a big smile that goes just beyond the width of his eyes.
Okay.
So just wider than his eyes and just wider than his eyes on the other side as well. Yep. And now we throw some lines down for teeth. And I'll do another one there. Okay, so now the space in the middle between his eyes and his mouth,
Yeah.
we draw a little rounded shape there. That's actually forming part of his hair. Can you do that?
Yeah.
From there, you do that. You curl the shape down. It looks like a weird S on its side now. But this part is actually his ear.
Yeah.
And above his eyebrows, we're gonna draw. Above his eyes, we're gonna draw his eyebrows. Sorry, I spoke wrong. So we're gonna draw like rectangular, rounded rectangular eyebrows.
Yeah.
And another one that side. He's got pretty thick eyebrows. And I'm gonna color that in. Color it in the side as well. You got yours?
Yep.
Okay. So from this eyebrow, we're gonna bring a line down just over there. See, now we have to bring yours slightly further down. Let's see. Yeah. So you can come slightly down and yours it must be past halfway mark of his eyes height. So bring it down till about there. Okay. So now by the size of his smile you can see that his cheek has to go around that.
Yeah.
So we're going to bring the cheek around that all the way and tuck up and touch to the bottom of his ear there. So one smooth line. That's fine, fine, fine. Go, go, go. We don't make mistakes. We make happy little accidents. Well, awesome. Okay, so there you have it. That still looks like Steven Universe.
Yeah.
And now, from this bit here, this top part of this S shape you see here, we're gonna go up and just over this eyebrow and connect with that other eyebrow there. So we're gonna go up and over and touch there. Perfect, my boy. Now we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little tufts of hair.
Yeah.
So you can, if you start again with his eye, midpoint of his eye, you can start there and make 1, 2. So the second one can stop in the middle. 3, 4, 5, and touches below the ear, so it comes past his ear. So 1,
One,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
One that touches there. That's good. You know what I'm noticing now? We're drawing a massive head again, so we're going to do a tiny body again. Yeah.
3.
Are we going to color this in with our markers?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so we have a lot of coloring to do. Black here, let's go. Black marker, black marker, black marker, color, color, color. We should use. Okay. Not that bad, not that bad. This chisel tip is working out for us. Or for me at least, let me see yours. Yeah, that's good.
Then,
Okay, so now we need to go smaller on the body. So I'm gonna start here with a line, touching his chin and going all the way out till about there. Watch this, touching his chin and goes all the way out till about there. And I'm immediately gonna make a little thumb on it because that's the end of my page. I don't have space. Yeah, and I'm gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So 1 finger,
1,
2,
2, 3,
4.
4.
My hand looks weird, and I make a little palm line there. You see these lines in your hand? These lines in your palm? That little line represents that my hand looks so bad, but here we go. And we're drawing another line coming back there. And we're going to draw a line coming down. That's a t-shirt sleeve.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we need to draw the other arm on that side. And from the chin, we're going to go out and make a little thumb again.
Out and make
1 finger, 2
2,
finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, and a little palm line. Let's see. That's fine. And we're bringing this line back in this side. And the other sleeve. Yeah? So Steven Universe, he's a bit chubby. So he's got a little fat belly. So we draw the chubby belly and the chubby waistline that side. And we finish off the t-shirt. Touch. And this line's supposed to just make another crease there. Now can you draw a star?
Yep.
He's got the gold star on his chest. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's Patrick and that's Patrick. Okay, so now in between, below his tummy line here, in the area that would be between his legs, we're going to draw a line like that. We're going to bring a line down from his hip and draw a line going out that way and finish off his jeans.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to draw another little line for his foot. We're going to draw a line in.
In.
Just watch this. And we draw a line going over and we come back down. And then we go forward again and we bring it under. See, now that looks like a sandal. And now we can add toes in there. Now it looks like a sandal. Because Steven Universe wears sandals. And we draw another line to double up the leg of his jeans. His turnip. Okay. And we can draw dotted lines here if we want to, because that's the zip area of his jeans, his fly area. You know where you pull up your zip? Your stitching there? That's that. And
I think there are no pants.
yeah. And the line there. And then going back down that way. You got it? And this leg is bent. So like that. And we finish off the jeans, that bit there. And now we do the same thing with the line down, going forward, over, coming down, and another line, and the soles down there. And out of space again.
Wait, is it for me?
except for you.
Yeah, Mama.
And I'm drawing toes there, and I'm drawing the other bit of his sandal, and the rest of his foot up against his jeans. His foot looks weird, but that's okay. And that's his foot.
Yeah.
And that's our Steven Universe. So there we have it. That's Steven Universe.
Yep.
So now we get to color. So let's get to this, easy.
Yep.
Grab some colors. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Steven Universe. Izzy, do you remember 2 years back or 3 years back? I think you cosplayed as Steven Universe. Do you remember that?
You meant that demo I had?
No, you had the Steven Universe costume.
Oh yeah.
You had both. You had Steven Universe and Steven Universe Future when he's older.
The black one.
The one with the jacket.
And the pink jacket.
And the pink jacket. Yeah, you did. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.